name is Cedric and I would like to tell you about my STIAS project and what you can expect from my public lecture on the 18th of August. Over the last 15 years, I have been working on applying complexity theory to peacemaking, peacekeeping and peace building. And during my time at the Stellenbosch Institute for Advanced Study, I would like to consolidate that body of work in a book on adaptive peace. I think one of the most important unanswered questions of our time is how to prevent conflict, end wars, and sustain peace. And in the age of the Anthropocene, this question takes on even more meaning. If we are not able to manage conflict, we will not be able to achieve the levels of cooperation we need to significantly change the impact we are having as a human species on our climate and our biosphere. This means that in the context of conflict management, if we try to make sense of the effects conflict have on the people affected by conflict, we need to situate them in a larger social and ecological system. And this is what I intend to do in my book. During my public lecture, I will explain what complexity theory is and why I think it's particularly suited for the type of conflict we are facing in our contemporary age. I have situated this in the context of adaptive peace. And adaptive peace is a method for how we understand or make sense of conflict, for how we try to influence complex systems, but also for how we cope with the complexity of undertaking peacemaking, peacekeeping and peace building. I hope you will join me and my fellow STIAS colleagues on the 18th, in person or virtually.